I know what you are thinking, how to create consistent characters like this, but do not worry, in this video I'm going to let you in. I know a lot of people struggle to create consistent characters for their work. It will be for their storybooks or for their animation stories. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create consistent characters for free. We are going to be doing so using two methods. First, we are going to be using Leonardo AI, and you do not need to be subscribed to the paid plan to do this. And second, we are going to be using the Canva tool. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, like, and share. The first step is to go to ChatGPT and ask it to please create a prompt from this instruction, and I'm just going to paste the instruction after typing this. And here in this instruction, I'm basically telling ChatGPT to please create a consistent character of a female 4-year-old in different situations, and it's just going to go ahead and create 5 scenarios from this instruction for me. So next, I'm going to head over to my Google Docs. I'm going to create a new document for this prompt. I'm going to click on Documents and then copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in my Google Docs. And this is for easy organization and easy access. So I'm just going to paste it there. Then I'm going to go ahead and name this document. I'm going to name it Consistent Character Amara because the name of my character is Amara. I'm just going to type out her name real quick. Next, I'm going to head over to Google and type in Leonardo AI. Click on the link, and once in this interface, you can see Leonardo lets you have 150 tokens that they renew every day. I'm going to hit the image creation button, and on the left hand side, you can see that you are allowed to choose your aspect ratio. I'm just going to choose mine, then head over to my Google Docs and copy the first prompt for the consistent character. I'm just going to copy it, head back to Leonardo and paste it. Click on the generate button and wait for my image to generate. If you are still watching till this point, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment. Thank you so much. Yes, now my image is done generating. You can click on each of these images to view them closely. Next, and very important step that you must pay attention to create a consistent character. Scroll up a bit after viewing your image, then click on these 3 dots, click on copy seed, then go to the left hand side of the page, scroll down to where you have advanced settings, click on the drop down. Where you have use fixed seed, drop the seed you just copied, and you can see the button will automatically come on. And before I forget, I'll quickly go back to these images, then download this third one because I like it better. Next, I'm going to head back to my document and copy the next prompt for my consistent character. I'm going to paste it and then click on generate. You can see it will generate for me this same image in another situation. You can see the image is now ready, and the girl is in a classroom in this situation, and it is very consistent with the first one. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose any of these images that I like for the second situation. I'm going to click on the download button to download it. I'm going to now also head back to my document so that I can pick the third prompt for the consistent character in another situation. I'm going to go back to Leonardo, paste it, click on generate, and wait for it to generate. Be patient, please. If you are still watching, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. You can see my character is back, but in another situation. So I'm just going to download the one that I like best. Click on the download button and just download it. Again, I'm going to head over to the document and copy the 4th prompt for the consistent character. Go to Leonardo AI, paste it, and then click on generate for it to generate the same character in another situation. If you are still watching, please watch this video to the end because I have a second method of generating consistent character I'm going to show you. Now my image is ready and the girl is in another situation. I like this one, so I'm just going to click on it and download it. Next, I'm going to also click on this one too and download the image. I'm now going to head back to my document and to pick the last prompt for the consistent character. I'm just going to paste it here as usual, then generate. You can see it is generating the same character in another situation for me. Now my fifth consistent character is ready, and you can see it's the same character in a different situation. She's in a library studying. I'm just going to go ahead and download, and you can use this consistent character either for your storybook or animation. For the second method, head to Canva, click on this make me an image button, text to image button. It is actually free, by the way, and I'm going to go ahead and paste the instruction I gave ChatGPT, not the prompt from ChatGPT. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit the create button, and it is going to go ahead and create consistent character, 5 consistent character in an image. So I'm just going to go ahead and look through and see the one that I like the most, and I think I like the fourth one. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the edit button on the first one, and it will take us right to Canva, where I can edit it into 5 consistent character. First, I'm going to go ahead and crop it such that I'm left with the first consistent character in a different situation. I'm going to click on resize, then click on custom size and paste my width and length. I want it to be 500 by 500. Click on copy and then resize, wait for it to resize it, then open this image in a new Canva. I'm now going to go ahead and right click the image and set it as the main background. You can see my first consistent character is ready, and I'm just going to name it and download the character. I'm going to also go back to the editing page, then undo it till you have all of your images. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and crop the second image. Click on crop, then go back to resize, custom size, and type in 500 by 500 for width and length. Click on copy and resize, then open in a new Canva. I'm just going to click on open, and here I'm going to go ahead and adjust the image, then right click on it to set it as the background. So you can see that the character is consistent with the first one. I'm just going to name it, then click on download to download the second image. I'm going to go back to the editing page, and I'm also just going to undo it to have all the images. Then I'm going to do the same for the third consistent character. I'm going to go ahead and crop until she's the only one. Then I'm going to go ahead and resize 500 by 500. Then I'm going to open in a new Canva. Please, if you are still watching, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Now I'm going to crop this image as much as I can because she will not take the entire Canva. So I'm just going to have her in the middle, try to crop her such that all the background will be visible. All the background where I have this particular character will be visible. So I think this is okay. I'm just going to go ahead and name her, then also download her, and she looks exactly like the previous 2 consistent character. I'm going to return back to Canva and undo as usual, then crop the fourth image, consistent image. Click on resize and then custom size. Make sure it is 500 by 500. Copy and resize. I'm also now going to open in a new Canva, and just like the third consistent character, I'm just going to try to resize this as much as I can because it will not take the entire Canva. And you can see this consistent character look exactly like the other 3 characters. I'm going to go ahead and download.